Yes, children, in the last session, we learnt about the factors on which the resistance of a conductor depends and also the electrical resistivity. Okay, that is we studied in the previous class. So today, let us know there are two methods of joining the resistors. Okay, which are those methods and how to draw those methods and the labels of that, and also the formula to find out those methods we all learn in this class. Okay, so as I said, there are two methods of joining the resistors. One is resistors in series and another one is resistors which are joined in parallel. Okay, resistors in series, two methods. Resistors in series, okay, and another one resistors in parallel. Okay. So first I will teach you how to draw the series and parallel connection. Okay, here in this series I have taken three resistors. Okay, R1, R2 and R3. We named it as R1, R2, R3. So they are joined one end to another end. I'll show you. See, this is one resistor, okay, and another one, that is R2, R1, then R2, another one R. These are the three resistors taken one end to another end, and these three are in series. Okay, they are connected to the common point, that is X, Y. The ends of this XY is connected to voltmeter. This XY is connected to voltmeter. Okay, this you understood? So the three resistors commonly connected to XY, and in turn it is connected to V. What is V? It is voltmeter. It is voltmeter. And the entire this system is connected to common this always use scale, children. Here I am not using, but while drawing this you use scale. So this system is connected to a battery that is studied in the components and the symbol. And meantime it is connected to key. This one we call it as battery, key, and another one thing is ammeter. It is connected to ammeter. See here. Now the big one in battery indicates positive and the small one negative. And this is key and this is ammeter. Where you use ammeter, children? Tell me. Yes, to measure the current. V is voltmeter. This device is used to measure the potential difference across the resistors. Okay. Now, don't forget to put the arrow mark. Okay. So always mention the arrow mark like this. See here. Okay. So this connection we call it as the resistors in series. That is R1, R2, R3 are the three resistors, connected to common endpoint XY and it is connected to voltmeter and the entire is connected to battery, key and ammeter. Okay. When the current flows through this resistors with the help of battery, then you note the voltmeter and the ammeter reading, you note down. Okay. Then with the help of the table, you can observe the flow of current and the resistors. Okay. Now, the formula to find out this series connection is with the help of the formula, that is Ohm's law states V is equal to I into R. Ohm's law formula. It is V is equal to I into R. So here IR1, that is I1 R1, V1, V2 equals I2 R2, V3 is equal to I3 R3. All this we can say that series, that is RS, that is resistance in series equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This, how do you pronounce this? Resistance in series equals R1 plus R2 plus R3. That is the sum of all the resistors. Okay, the sum of all the resistors is known as the RS. So, mostly for diagram and the formula. Okay, children, this is the first method of joining the resistors in series. Okay. Another one method, that is resistors in parallel. Observe this, how to draw this parallel. Okay. Now R1, I write R1, see. This one is R1, okay, the end points. Now the same thing, okay, just take this. And another one just above this, okay. Same points right here, okay. Then same R, here also same. That is R1, R2 and R3. See here the end points. Now you extend this little bit. Like this. To take like this, I will join it. That is better. I think you understood. First, write down R1, R2 and R3. Okay, they have their end points here. Okay, and the common end point here, let us call this as X, Y. Okay, and this X, Y, as you did here, that is, it is joined for voltmeter. This XY is joined to voltmeter, and also write positive and negative. Okay children, so the current flows from here to here. See here, this is one end to one end, but here it is connected one below the other to common XY and to voltmeter. Now the entire system is again connected to same thing. What? That is a battery, one big and one small, one big and one small, and one big and one small. And to a key, this is battery and this is key, and another one same thing, that is ammeter. So again positive, negative, join this. The other things are same. If you observe this resistance, only you can tell, only changes what? If R1, R2 is 1 by 1 or 1 side by side, here one below the other. And as I told you, just you mention the arrow mark. And the big one shows positive and the small line indicates negative. So this is the parallel connection of the resistors. Here, the formula to find out this is 1 by Rp, that is the reciprocal of the parallel connection, 1 by Rp plus 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 is the formula to find out this parallel connection. So how it comes, that is also we will learn. You know that V is equal to same thing, what Ohm's law states, V is equal to I into R. But if you change this, I equals V by R. I have taken left hand side, so V by R. So if you note down the current, we can say I1 equals V1 by R1, I2 equals V2 by R2, that is resistance changes. Next, current when it changes, V3 by R. Okay, here we taken V1 is equal to I1 R1 in the same way. I1 equals V1 by R1, I2 is equal to V2 by R2, I3 is equal to V3 by R3. Okay, so if you take the reciprocal, then 1 by Rp, that is resistance in parallel, equals 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 is the formula to find out the resistance which is in parallel. Okay, children, I think today you learned very important diagram regarding this series connection and parallel connection and also the formula. Okay, in the next class we will learn some of the problem, that is regarding this formulas which is in series, parallel or both series and parallel, that we will learn in the next class, children. So draw this diagram, practice it and by heart the formula. Okay, see you in the next class, children. Bye.